I know. Oh, that's so great. It's funny.
Susan!
Yeah. Hold on just a second for me, please. Yeah?
They did it again.
What? They did it again? Oh, come on!
She's clean.
Oh, alright, but you know what? That's why I am my own maid. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make egg salad. It's a very easy recipe, so let's go over our ingredients. In this bowl I have 8 eggs that I have boiled and chopped up. We have some mayonnaise, whatever brand you like is great. Some mustard, salt and pepper, some paprika, some sugar, and we're going to add a splash of apple cider vinegar. All right, so I have my spices in here except for the paprika. I have a half a cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of mustard in here. For the spices, I have 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. And the paprika we're just going to sprinkle across the top and add in. So let's start mixing. All right, so I'm going to add in my mayonnaise and mustard. Make sure you get all that in there. I'm going to add my spices. That was the sugar and salt and pepper. I'm going to shake up my vinegar. This is a really good brand, the Bragg's Organic with a little mother, we call it, in the bottom. So I'm just going to add a tiny splash of that, probably about 1 teaspoon in there. And then I'm just going to go over the top of the egg salad with a little paprika. I'd say half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, around there. And then we're just going to give it a nice little stir. So you mix it up. So I want it moist, but not too moist, because I can always add a little bit more mayo. Sometimes people like mayo on top of their sandwich. And this egg salad is really good on either a sandwich, some crackers, or even a salad. You can put your salad leaves down and add this as your main protein and dressing. All right, so see how easy that was? It's all mixed up, and all I'm gonna do is add a tiny bit more paprika for color across the top. There you go. It's better if you let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes or so, but this is a simple, easy, budget-friendly, anytime meal. Catch you in the next video.